Boys, out at Ginnie Springs, making some motherfucking pancakes. I don't know what we're gonna do with them, but we feel like making some motherfucking pancakes. Probably gonna give them to these fucking redneck ass neighbors we got. But you know,
trying to get some footage of them bubbling real nice.
yeah.
Once they get going. Oh yeah, there it goes. Just flour and water, people. No magic fairy dust, no nothing.
Good old Aunt Jemima's.
Fresh spring water. And flour. With glyphosate. Not organic.
Not organic, unfortunately. Here, look.
We're not sponsored.
We're not sponsored. Aunt Jemima, if you want to, hit us up. We out here.
These are our redneck neighbors here. Fuck state.
I saw the pictures though.
Jameis Winston is in there raping a girl.
Yeah. And getting crab legs. Mad crab legs. All the crab legs you could ever want. Right, Ashlyn?
What? From where?
We're doing a cooking show.
Okay, I like it. But where are you getting the crab legs from?
Jameis Winston, he stole them from Publix, bro. He's over there in that van raping a girl. Alright, here we got a flip on these pancakes.
We got a flipper.
Oh, beautiful. You see that? Golden brown. Golden brown, people. This is what we're talking about.
Yeah, definitely. And we have like
oh my god.
In all his glory right here. The
All
chef.
glory.
Alright. We like to keep these videos short. Give the people a nice little outro.
That's good. You want some pancakes?
Sure.